Hi, my name is Robert Alvarez, and I will be presenting on the company that was chosen for me, the Dow Chemical Company. Dow Chemical is currently ranked 52 on the Fortune 500 list. Dow Chemical was founded in 1897 and is headquartered in Midland, Michigan. Dow Chemical manufactures and supplies chemical products for use as raw materials in the manufacture of customer products and services worldwide. A few of the items you use every day Dow helps to produce are printed circuit boards, air sealing and weatherization products, along with wire and cable insulation. Dow Chemical is the second largest chemical manufacturer in the world next to BASF, which I will be comparing to Dow later in my slides. Here is the income statement for Dow Chemical. The one constant on this statement is the preferred stock and other adjustments. Something else that caught my eye when looking at this information was the net income has a drop in 2012 and then a nice size surge in 2013. The thing I find most interesting was the fact that the revenue is actually down from 59 billion in 2011 to 57 billion in 2013. Here we have the trend slide. On this slide, we can see some major fluctuation. For instance, a number that stands out to me is the 5,000% change in the non-recurring section, and then the sharp drop to a negative 71%. Gross profit is up, while the trend for total revenue continues to be below the 2011 year. Net income took a big drop in 2012, but made a very nice comeback in 2013 with an increase of 74.6% more than in 2011. The comparison I have for Dow is the leading chemical company in its field, revenue-wise, BASF. When comparing the two, I found that the Dow company spends 0.6% on R&D per revenue dollar more than BASF does. However, BASF has more intangible assets than Dow Chemical. The profit margin percentage shows that BASF is the true leader in the industry, beating Dow Chemical Company by 8.4%. This current slide shows the board of directors for Dow Chemical Company. The board has only 2 women and very few minorities on the board. The board does have 2 members that have attended international universities. The average tenure on the board is 10.3 years, while the average age on the board is 61.8 years old. For the SWOT analysis, I have the strengths of Dow being that they currently have over 4,000 products used worldwide, and that they are the most advanced company in specialty chemicals. Their weaknesses: very high long-term debt, and their Moody's credit rating is a Baa2. Their opportunities I have down as green energy alternatives in production and emerging market expansion. Their threats: unfavorable world currency and government regulation. Their strength and opportunity, I have over 4,000 products worldwide and green energy alternatives in production. Their weakness and opportunity, very high long-term debt and emerging market expansion. Their strengths and threats, most advanced chemical company in specialty chemicals, an unfavorable world currency. Their threats and weaknesses, the Moody credit rating of Baa2 and government regulation. For the memo, total revenue is down from 59 billion to 57 billion. Net income has grown by 174.6% since 2011. For every revenue dollar made, Dow spends 0.6% more on R&D, but 7.5% less on intangible assets compared to their competitor, BASF. There are only 2 women on the board, and it currently lacks diversity in regards to minorities. There are no elite schools represented on their board. It is recommended that Dow Chemical increase its diversity of its board of directors. Dow should look to reduce its long-term debt and take advantage of its advanced specialty in chemicals.